In this video, I'm going to show you how you can screen record your phone like this one to do a tutorial for someone or to show someone something. What are you going to do? There's two ways to do the screen record, and I'm going to give you another bonus on it after I show you that. What are the bonus? Look at this this ball that is rolling. Can you see that it's showing the picture in it? You can use your picture in it also, and when you are recording also, can you see that it's counting? Can you see the middle of that thing that is counting? Yes, you'll be see how many minutes you have been doing the screen recording, right? Let's dive in. Number one, some phones have screen record. If you scroll down like this, if you scroll down, you will see the screen recording this thing or icon or features on such phone. There's some phone that have automatically, but for those phone that doesn't have, you simply go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. It's all, most of Apples have screen recording, but for the phone that doesn't have, go to your Play Store. When you get to your Play Store, just simply type screen recorder. Can you see screen recorder? This, I'm using Samsung. You can click for app for Android, but when you click on screen recorder, it will bring it up for you. Now especially, let me show you this thing. Every one of them are working, but there's some particular apps that are working very perfect, like this one I'm showing you. This A to Z recorder is working very fine, but that one might not do this photo icon, you know, it might not, but it has a lot of features in it. But now let's go further. But before you download any app, try to do what? Try to check some things. Can you look at this place? You see 100M. That means, you know, you just check around and look for the apps that you look for, the one that suits you. But I recommend this one, or I recommend this this A to Z one. I recommend it for you, or any one of it, or this one, you know, just simply, or you can just only type screen recorder. When you type screen recorder, can you see? Just click on those this first one. When you click on this first one, it will download for you. Then what is the next thing for you after downloading? Then go and it will install on itself. Then come here, click on the screen downloader. You know, do you see R the recorder, the X recorder? Then just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring out some things for you. All these things that you are seeing, they are the screen recording that I've record all the tutorial I've done. Now look at this place, look this one, look this one, look this one. I'm going to show you all their works right now, right? That is why you have to, anytime you are watching my video, try to be patient and watch it to the end. Now when you click on this photo, on this one, and this one also, when you click on it, it shows you that, look down here, look down this area here. When I click here, you see it will show me something here. You see, you can only modify it when you are when you are not recording. Because I'm recording, that is why it was highlighted. Now this thing is to show direction whenever you are doing your tutorial, like one I'm doing. Instead of me using this thing, I can simply click on this. Then if I want to show you something, I will just click on that ball. When you click on it, it will appear here. You see, it will appear here. Then how will you do that? You see some videos that you will see, they will be showing some arrow that used to show you some things. Can you see? You see what did I press? I press this little arrow. You know, when you press that arrow, you can show anybody anything. You understand? Just to make a direction that look at this thing, look at this thing. You understand? If you want to erase it, just click on this back arrow, this arrow that goes back. Just be clicking it to be erased one by one, or you click on this cancel, everything will be cancelled. You understand? And furthermore, this one also, what is the work of this circle? Now let me say, okay, let's go to what's it called? Okay, I will show you that the work of that one outside. I hope I've shown you that right now. When you click on this thing, it will highlighted. I'm still talking of this brush. It will highlighted out, but when you click on it again, when you highlight it, it will erase from the screen. Now what of this place? Because of this time around I'm making this video, there's darkness where I may not click on it. If you click on it, you understand. Okay, let me click on it. When you click on it, it should tell you to on your camera, tell you, okay, give me access to on your camera. Then when you are making your screen recording, and it will be making your own video as well. You understand? It will be making your video as well. Okay, let me do it once and for all. One time. Can you see? It's telling. Can you see this place? Can you see? You can move it to wherever you want it to be. You understand? You can move it to anywhere. Then you can, if you want to enlarge it, just click on this thing, you click on it. When you click on it, then you click on this place. You understand? You click on it. You click on it. You long press on it, and you enlarge it to any size you want it to be. Then this place is to change camera to the back. You understand? If you want to show something at the back, is to change camera to the back. Then another thing there is this place is a cancel. Then these settings, let me show you the work of the settings. If you want to make your video to be a circle, you see this rectangle and circle. You click on circle. When you click on circle, it will circle your camera for you. You understand? As they are seeing you, they see you inside the circle, and you can easily put it at the corner of your video for people to be seeing you in your video. You understand? Now let's dive in. Let's continue. Then I've shown you the work of that one, and I've shown you the work of this one. I'll show you the work of this one. What of this one? This camera, this one, I've highlighted it, just appear here. This is it, right? You can drag it to anywhere you want it to be. Maybe you want to, let me say you want to screenshot this place. You just, instead of you to be dragging your button, you understand? Instead of you to be dragging your button, you know, to screenshot or to slide down like this, you know, you just click on that. It will just screenshot anything for you, your screen, for you screenshotting. This is screen recording. Now let's go further. Let's come out of this page, of this thing. Then let's go out. Now let's say, can you see nothing outside here? It's just my apps that you are seeing here. Now let me say you want to show someone, let me say you want to show them this one app here, and you are trying to show them, you know, or on your this thing on your page. Okay, let me open this app now. Let me open this app for better this thing, for a better example. Now this app shows, okay, I want to show someone, and I don't want to be dragging this thing up and down. Then what are you going to do? It might be for or anytime. You just click on this button that is scrolling. Just click on it. When you click on it, you see this brush. You see this brush. When you click on the brush, that brush will appear here. You understand? When you click on cancel, it will disappear. but for the better this thing, you can click on that. If you click on it, it will open for you like this. Then click on this something that is like bag here. It's this thing like bag, click it, you know, under that thing. Then click on that brush. When you click on the brush, you will see that it will appear on your screen face. Can you see? This is it. You understand? You can only click on it. When you click on it, you just use it to show people whatever you want to show. You understand? You show people whatever you want to show. If you click this one is like a brush, you know. You want to plan somewhere, or you want to show something, you want to write something, you know, you want to do anything, you know, with your hand, you know, you can make use of that. Then you can clean it by clicking here. You can clean it, you know, you understand? Just play around with the thing. You are going to see a lot of things. You can show people like, okay, this area, this 3 baby, this 330, you know, all this thing. Okay, what of this circle? Okay, this logo, this place I'm circling, you understand? Okay, let me say you are changing the color. Okay, you see, we're changing the color. It depends on how thickness. This is the thickness. Depends on how the thickness you want the thing to be. Then you can cancel. You can what? You can blank the face. You can do a lot of things with this thing, you know. There's a lot of things you can do with it. Then now let me see the screenshots. Then click on highlight the screenshots. Can you see the screenshots as out? Also, you can screenshot anything at any time. You understand? You can screenshot it. Then after, then the last thing I'm going to show you on this thing is let me go and hide the thing for my page to just look okay. What I'm going to do, I'm clicking on it now. Then I click on okay, I click on it. Then what I'm going to do, okay, let me go into that app. Then when you go into that app, click on that app for better settings. I've tell you that I will give you a bonus how you can change your photo to this thing. Then come to settings. When you come to settings, you have come to settings. Then let me quickly show you something. Then in terms of microphone, click on the microphone. Then this is microphone. Because I'm recording, normally this thing must let it be here always, because you might want to let your app talk so that they'll be hearing your app and hearing you as well. But now me, I'm the only one talking, you understand? I'm using microphone, you understand? Then what are the other thing? Don't forget you click on settings. When you click on settings, you scroll down. Okay, this place now, maybe when I started this video, you will see something that counting down. This is where you click and set your counting down, you understand? That is where you press to set your counting down. Then show your touch. Maybe as you are touching the screen, you want your touch to be showing, you understand? This is where you go, you know. Then customize balls. Then you can customize your balls, you know. Voice change, you can change your voice, you know. Time recording, you can set your time recording, you know. You can do a lot of things from it. Then this customizing balls, this customizable, that is where you are going to press. You understand? When you press it, because I'm recording, it will not allow me to open it. When you click it, it will tell you to change your will you want to change your for balls to photo. You allow it, then it will tell you to pay. Then don't pay. what are the things to do? You just click on advert. You watch an advert. If you watch advert, they will bring you advert. When you watch advert, then it will tell you that you should embrace your offer. Then you pick any photo that you like and allow it to be, and and pick any choice of your picture and put it there. Then it will automatically bring it up for you like this. That is that for now. Let me leave you for now. This place, if you want to download out your picture or your video or this thing to make it more quality, this is where you go to. That's for that. I'm going to stop for here. Try to subscribe to my channel if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up and try to forward this to others to benefit from it. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.